My goodness, we have it! Wow! Cool, we got the radio. Got an antenna here and a USB for it. And in the back, I assume this is where we put the battery. Oh no. Oops. Hold on. Oh, okay, cool. We're good. We got the battery compartment. This is for two 18650 batteries. They're arriving later. And that's USB port. Got an SD card, it looks like. The thing. And then way down in there we got some electronics. Cool. Let's try. Okay, so it says that first we have to mount the antenna before we do anything. So let's just do that. It should just screw on. Cool, and now we're good. Boop. Guys, the Postal Service has done something absolutely incredible. Snail mail has managed to deliver ahead of schedule somehow. So I was supposed to get this on Monday, and today is Friday, so that's nice. I get a whole extra 3 days to play with my new 18650 batteries. Now these things are massive. They're like, this is how big a AA is. Like, I was not expecting this. So I'm just going to put them in here, and then I'll let them probably charge for a while, to be honest. I don't anticipate that the controller will spring to life immediately, so I'll put those in, and then I'll see you guys. These things are so big. Look at them compared to the size of my hand. They're like fist-sized battery packs. This is crazy, and I have rather large hands. Wow. Okay, so I have everything all nice and set up. We got all our joysticks calibrated. We also have the thing showing up here. Now what I learned is you actually need both USB ports to get this thing working. The bottom USB port, when I take this cover off, there's a USB hidden over there. That is how you charge the dang thing. And in order for the computer to recognize it, has to be connected up top. However, you can't turn it on if it's connected up top, which means you need to first charge it at the bottom to get it to turn on. You hold this for 2 seconds until all the dots light up, and then once it's on and like you've made sure that it's on and it's doing everything it needs to do, then you can unplug it from the bottom, plug it in from the top, and have it work. So let's see, press any button to continue. We got our controller. Fly, let's see. Oops, I haven't calibrated my joysticks. Whoop-de-doo. Okay, cool, I've got everything set up. This left one controls our throttle, and we also have yaw on the same one, and then we also have pitch and roll going. The only issue is, for some reason, the buttons on the controller don't seem to work with this, but oh well, we'll see how it goes. Definitely a solid controller. I do recommend.